Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to join my this new vlog, which is on Kale Valley, and from this journey will continue uh, up to Taubat. So our journey would be from Kale to Taubat. Taubat is the last border village of Kashmir Valley. Viewers, right now we are passing through a bridge, and underneath which a water channel is flowing and joining river Neelam. This water channel is coming down all the way from Baboon Valley, which is a very lush green valley. From this point, for 5 kilometers ahead of this point, a road on the left side is leading to Baboon Valley. There are wonderful meadows, waterfalls, springs, and channels which are gracing the landscape beauty of Baboon Valley. Viewers, right now we are marching towards the Kale Valley. Viewers, this particular valley is so beautiful, and you can see the enchanting river in the background. Very speedy water of this Neelam river. We were as I mentioned before you, that this area is very peaceful. I have been from last 4 5 days and wandering in the different pocket of Kashmir Valley, and I observed that the area is very peaceful. The local administration is very cooperative, and they enact all the security measure to ensure security in this area. The local people are very sincere, they are very good, they are well behaved. Their attitude with the tourist is so wonderful, and you should come here to enjoy the landscape grace of the area. We were from this particular point. Now we are proceeding towards the Machal Bazaar. The Machal Bazaar, you will see that the shops which are mostly in single story form, and in some cases they are in two-storied form. All of them are constructed from wood. Some of them are finished with stone. Anyhow, the superstructure is provided through the corrugated sheet to protect them from heavy downfall and snowfall during the different season. We were This is a wonderful viewpoint. It is generally very popular among the visitor, and they are coming to enjoy this Machal viewpoint. We searched the organic milk, and finally we have been successful. So organic milk is available at this restaurant, और अब हमें यहाँ पे अच्छी चाय मिल जाएगी. So we order a cup of tea and breakfast over here, and after doing breakfast, then we will proceed or march towards Taubat. This restaurant is also constructed from wood, and the roofing is provided with the through corrugated sheet. We were at Taubat. Our plan is to enjoy mutton tikka. Atiq Khan ji will be the in charge, and inshallah, hopefully he will prepare the mutton tikka. Khan ji is sitting, and he is preparing mutton tikka. Khanji is fond of delicious cookings, and this is his specialty: dampoh, kadai, and mutton tikka and pulao. So we are sitting at Taubat. In the background, you can see the lush green Taubat, and we are sitting under a shade and preparing mutton tikka, and hopefully it will be a wonderful experience. Viewers, we have with us mangoes, particularly one of the most sweet species of mango, chonsa. Khanji is sitting on the bank and enjoying mango. Viewers, पाकिस्तान आर्कियोलॉजी कल्चर एंड टूरिज़म के चैनल को प्रमोट करें. पाकिस्तान टूरिज़म, आर्कियोलॉजी और कल्चर को प्रमोट करने के लिए मेरा साथ दीजिएगा. काइंडली इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. आई विल बी ग्रेटफुल टू यू फॉर योर सपोर्ट एंड फॉर योर लव. पाकिस्तान टूरिज़म को प्रमोट करने के लिए मेरे साथ रहिएगा. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.